breakthrough in vision technology is giving hope to millions who thought they'd never see clearly again. Welcome to GadInsider, your favorite tech hub. The PRIMA visual prosthesis is a tiny wireless retinal implant which restores eyesight for people with age-related macular degeneration. Clinical trials published on October 20th in the New England Journal of Medicine show astonishing results of over 80% of participants regaining the ability to read letters, numbers, and words. AMD affects around 5 million people globally, making everyday tasks like reading or recognizing faces nearly impossible. The PRIMA system, measuring just 2 mm by 2 mm, can be inserted under the retina in a 2-hour surgery performed by a specialized vitreoretinal surgeon. Its 378 photovoltaic pixels convert light into electric signals, which are then paired with AR smart glasses and a pocket processor so the brain can see again. The trial had 38 participants across 17 hospitals in Europe. 1 year after surgery, 26 patients improved by at least 2 lines on an eye chart, with one participant reading 10 lines. One participant said that she can now read prescriptions, do crosswords, and check product labels, and these were the tasks she hadn't done in years. While 19 participants faced serious but mostly resolvable side effects, the future looks bright. The PRIMA developer Science Corporation is now only waiting for the European CE mark approval and testing a new version with 10,000 pixels for a sharper vision. With these retinal implants, PRIMA proves the future of medicine isn't just treating diseases, it's restoring lives. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, drop a like, and comment what you think about this. See you later.